Just hold on, wait. Let's see what it is. Hey, welcome to Eonasah Media Tech. I just had a package and I'm going to share the unboxing experience with you. So you may ask, what is the package? Just hold on, wait. Let's see what it is. Without wasting my time, I'm just gonna go straight to the point. This video wasn't really planned. I'm just trying to share my experience with the world. Yeah, let's get it out. So it's actually the Redmi Buds 4 Active. Yep. Why did I get one? I got one because I need one. Yeah, let's get it out. Sheesh. It's good to have your nails grown sometimes. Was it? Okay. Hey, I'm really struggling right here. Wait, hold on. Let me get something that's sharp. Something like that would do. Yeah, got it. So, what's inside here? What's this whole thing about? Okay, let me do it this way. So, the earbuds are really here. And I'm really loving the size already. This is perfectly replacing my old one. Yeah. And what again? Like, sorry guys. And I think these are the silicones for the ear. What again do we have here? And a manual. Who even reads manual? I barely read manuals since I'm a kid. Since I was a kid, sorry for my grammatic failure. Since I was a kid, I've never read manuals in gadgets. I just buy them, take them out, maybe put them on charge, then that's it. Wait, don't I have a charger? That's very important, you know. I shouldn't go just without having no charger. So let's see what Xiaomi did here. Okay, that's what we have from Xiaomi. You can see that here, me. Let me see. I was trying to get some low budget earbuds, and this costed me, let me check the price again. How much did it cost me? I'll put that in the video, or maybe I'll just say it. I don't want to edit. Hey, this didn't come with any charger, did it? Wait. It didn't come with no charger. That's not looking good. Did someone take it out or what? Because come on. Okay, that's not looking good for me. Really? You're telling me type C here? Why is my type C? Where my type C at? Okay. Let's see. So FYI, this costed me like less than 20 euros. Okay, less than 20 euros. This costed me less than 20 euros. Okay, that shows maybe it's active or some. The hinges are alright. Okay, but it's just kind of noisy like I heard in one video. But that's not bad. That's not bad. You know, the most important thing is how the device sounds. You know, you could see that's completely brand new. You weren't seeing me, huh? I'm here. I'm not gone. Okay. So I think that's the unboxing experience, and I'm going to do a review on how they sound like. Adios. Hey, welcome to Eonasah Media Tech once again. So now we are the most important part, testing the earbuds out. How do they sound? That's the most important thing. Looks and feels comes later. But how do they sound? That's a top-notch question. Yeah, that's the most important thing to me. Okay, this one goes in the left ear. Yeah, I guess. Let me see. Oh wait, I think to switch them on, I just have to put them into the thing back. Easy, easy. That's gonna be much more easier, I guess. What? Okay. They feel very light for real. Not gonna lie. Okay. Now I have them in. Alright. I'm liking them already, for real. For real. I'm liking this. I'm really liking this. Like just that sweet spot I'm looking for. Not too painful in the ear and not too heavy. I like things that are most times light, like my phone. A little bit light for me as compared to other phones out there. So I think this is going to really help. Oh, it already appeared over here. It's crazy. Wait, hold on. Redmi active. Okay, pair. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Just, you see that? Oh, so you could see it has this. Nice, cool feel. And I don't know why this has to somehow connect to my email. That's kind of strange. Oh, wait, I think it's going to help synchronize on other devices, I guess, maybe. So save, I saved it. And let me just try it out. I didn't even charge it, but you shouldn't learn from me. This is just a trial video. I'm gonna charge them later. When you get your device, try to charge them. Okay. It's not the most best out here, but what I like about it is the bass, it's giving me that vibes. I like bass songs, that boom boom boom, and it's doing what I want. Not exactly what I want, but it's giving me that sweet spot though. Like not the best, not the worst. In between. Let's go. Okay, okay. So far testing this thing is actually being on what do you call it? The half volume, You can see here it's preventing me from going further just to protect my ears. Should I go further for you? Should I risk it for you? Okay, let me just listen to the half, then I risk it for you, okay? Okay. So far, if I'm supposed to rate this thing out of 10, it's going to be 7 or at most a 7.5. How about something less than 20 euros? You shouldn't be expecting the best, and it's not also giving you that vibe of the West. It's good. 7 out of 10. Let's go. So now I'm done listening to the half tone. Let me see how high I could go. Oh, crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah. I mistakenly ended the video. But on the higher tone, it's really, 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 really crazy. I'm going to really, go deaf if I keep on hearing this song like this. Seriously. I'll just keep it on the half tone. And 7 out of 10, actually, that's what I'm going to give it. So I think the next thing I'm going to do in the next video that's going to come is testing how the microphone sounds. Okay? Testing how the microphone sounds. Or maybe, let's see when. I don't know when. But maybe in the next video. If I have the chance to test it, I just do it. So, how it sounds, the bass, and how it feels. Overall, I'm just gonna give it 7.5. It feels light and it's not, slipping out or something. It comes with this extra silicones. I mean, for the preference, maybe your ear size, your ear canal size, and all that. So, if the default ones don't suit you, you can change them to any size here. There are other sizes over here, and that here, the design, I like things that are this slim and smart. I hope these hinges are going to last long, for real. I hope they are gonna last long. Let me know if they are gonna last long. Tell me in the comment section if you've had any experience with this or something. This is my first time of having such a device. I've previously had one, but the hinges just went off, and I sellotaped it and all that. And I think I just have to let it go. It's been like 2 years since I used that, or 3 years, I guess. I think I have to let go of that and now switch to something new. And I borrowed this one, you see, because my old one was not really giving me that vibes I want anymore. So I borrowed this one. That's an Aoki. Yeah, it's not bad. The only problem I have with it is the size of the case. Okay, like, look at this. I need something like this. Okay, not this. This doesn't feel comfy in the pocket, but this feels that comfy in the hand. Look at that. My hand can go all over this, but look, I'm really struggling to even close my fingers. Ah, that feels so big. And this in the pocket really feels uncomfy. Like, anywhere in the pocket, it mean the front, left, right, back, where it doesn't feel comfy. And so I just got me this something smart and slim. Yeah, that's my style. So I'll be putting this on charge. Was I shouting? I don't know. I guess I wasn't. But after all, I just do this for you. Have a nice day, and I hope this video somehow helps you to make your decision in buying your earbuds. Okay. So as I said, this was less than 20 euro. Let me check the exact price once again. Let me do this for the viewers. Okay, let me check the exact price. The exact price I bought it. Yeah, there it is. 12.99. Actually, the former price was 18.99. Okay, let's say 19 euro. It's still less than the 20 euro mark. So if you want something, I mean, just to cope for the moment, under 20 euros, or I don't know, maybe $20. Just get this one, alright? My recommendation. There might be other alternatives. I've not tried them, but from my view, I'm gonna give this a 7.5 out of 10. This is your budget earbud you could go with. Once I saw was Xiaomi, I was like, okay, I could trust this one, because I mean, I know Xiaomi, but the other brands is sometimes that scary. So you could go get yours. Okay, this is not sponsored video. Yeah, I haven't had any sponsor yet. So if you think you want to sponsor me, my doors are open. You can come. Yay. Why not? Alright, I'ma just leave you all here, okay? Take care and have fun.